Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the class of physics by the Vijay sir. In this class we discussing about the logic gates. The logic gates is an electric circuit which makes logic decision. It is right. Allow electrons flow only in one. For example, it is NOT gate. Allow only one direction. Zero given input is given 0, output 1. If input is given 1, output is 0. This is also another gate. Input 0 1 given, output given something. So here gates allows electrons flow only in one direction. This is one of the logic decision. And third one works binary language. These are also working in binary language. 0 1 1 1 0 0, whatever may be repeating 0 and 1, only two numbers, so it work binary language. This is also logic decisions. And fourth one alternate between 0 and 1. So here also 0 every logic decisions 0 1 1 1 1 0 something this like. So this is also makes logic decisions. This is also logic. The output of two inputs or gates is 1. Okay, I draw a OR gate symbol and circuit. This is OR gate. It is OR gate. OR gate. And truth table A 0 0 1 sorry A B Y. So 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1, output 0 1 1 1. This is the truth table of OR gate. So here the output of two inputs OR gate is 1. Here look here 0 0 0 1 0 again 1 0 1 also 1 double 1 1 also 1. So options: if both inputs are 0, wrong. If either or both the inputs are 1, look here 1 0 1, right? 0 1 1, right? Either or both are 1, also 1. So second one right answer. The output of two input AND gate is on only when it's okay. AND gate symbol. It is the AND gate symbol. Truth table of AND gate. A B Y 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1. Here AND gate D means dot 0 dot 0 1 dot 0 0 0 dot 1 0 1.1 1. So it is AND gate. AND means dot, nothing but multiplier. So the output of a 2 input AND gate is on only when it's either input is 1, wrong answer. If one input is 1, another is 0, it will be 0. So first one wrong. Third one, either input is 0. If in here any input is 0, then that is also 0. Why? Because it is multiplier. So wrong. Both inputs are 1. It is right. So if 1.1 is equal 1, so third one right answer. Both inputs are 0. If both inputs is 0, output also 0. An OR gate implements logic addition. OR gate, look here, this is symbol of OR gate. Symbol of OR gate. An OR gate implements along addition, right? This is symbol of OR gate. This is OR gate symbol. One terminal A, second terminal B, output Y. The Boolean expression is Y is equal to A plus B. This is the OR gate Boolean expression. OR gate Boolean expression. So this is the addition, logic addition. Right answer. Is a universal gate? No. Universal gates is NAND and NOR gates are universal gates. Implement logic multiplication. AND gate is a logic multiplication. Why? AND last term D means dot. Implements logic subtraction. No. Our answer is OR gate. And AND gate. AND means dot. Implements logic addition. Logic addition is OR gate. Last question we discussing. In a last question we discussed universal gates. No. And NAND and NOR gates are universal gates. Implements of logic multiplication, right? AND gate. AND means dot product. So this is AND gate symbol. This is the AND gate symbol. It is A, B. It is the Y. The Boolean expression Y is equal to A dot B. So implements logic multiplication. Right answer. NAND and NOR gates are called universal gates primarily because they, option 1, are available universally. It is not right. These are universal gates, but available universal easily can be combined to produce OR and gates and NOT gate also. Oh, it is right. Are widely used in integrated circuits. These are using, but in this process we don't call. These are universal gates. Are assisted to the manufacturer. So this is also wrong answer. And NOR gates can be combined to produce R and NOT gates. So this is option 2 is right answer. And NOR gates, universal gates, every gate made up with and NOT gates. So these are called universal gates. Digital circuit can be made by repetitive use of universal gates are using. So NOR and NAND gates are universal gates. So 4-1 correct answer. Digital circuits can be made by repetitive use of NAND gates. So these are NAND gate or universal gate. So it is using repetitive. The minimum number of NAND gates are used to form AND gate is. So this one is NAND gate. If this one is NAND gate, connecting two inputs one side, it act as a NOT gate, nothing but NOT gate. Okay, and this is also another one is also AND gate, sorry, NAND gate. This is also NAND gate. So according to Boolean algebra, NAND gate adding NOT gate, so bar it's get a AND gate. So two NAND gates required to make a AND gate. 2 minimum. Option 2 is two inputs of AND gate are shorted. Two inputs of NAND gate. Two inputs of NAND gate are shorted. This gate is equal to. Okay, NAND gate inputs are two shorted. Okay, this one is AND gate. AND gate, truth table A, B, Y, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. AND gate means dot 0, 0 dot 0, 0, 1 dot 0, 0, 0 dot 1, 0, 1 dot 1, 1. So this is AND gate. Reverse of AND gate is NAND gate. So this is the NAND gate. I using here bubble. This is NAND gate. A, B, truth table. of NAND gate A, B, Y 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1. So here look here, this is 0 0 0 1 reverse 1 1 1 0. This is the truth table of NAND gate. If two inputs are shorted, these two inputs are shorted. If given input 0, it's come also 0, this terminal come also 0 0 0 0 0 get a 1, and if I given 1 here, this terminal also 1, this terminal comes also 1, so 1 1 1 1 0. So I given 0 0, it's 1. I given input 1 1, output is 0. So it is the NOT gate properties. If I given 0 1, it is the NOT gate properties. So our answer third. An AND gate can be prepared by repetitive use of NAND gate. Why? NAND gate is universal gate, so two NAND gates required prepared to AND gate. See the diagram. This is the NAND gate. Two NAND gate terminals connecting in shorted input side of the another NAND gate. So it acts as a NOT gate. Now this is the AND gate is equal to, this is two inputs, this is the AND gate. So answer NAND gate. The value of A or A complement in the Boolean algebra is this. The value of A or A complement the Boolean algebra is, if A is equal to 1, then 1 plus 1 complement is equal to 1 plus 0. This is called OR gate. R is equal 1. So if A is equal to 0 0 or 0 complement is equal 0 or 1 is equal 1. So here answer is 2. Option 2 is correct answer. The basic relations for OR gate. The basic relations for OR gate. First one, First one, a plus or 0 is equal to a. Second one, a or 1 is equal to 1. Third one, a or a is equal to a. Fourth one, a or a complement is equal to 1. So from this Boolean algebra also give a option 2, nothing but answer is 1. The value of a or a complement in Boolean algebra is, so if a or a complement, if a is equal to 1, if a is equal to 1, so 1 or 1 complement is equal to 1 or 0, getting 0. If a is equal to 0, from this Boolean equation, 0 or 0 complement zero or 1 is equal to 1. So sorry, 0 1 is equal to 0. Answer is 1. Answer is first option is correct. Once see the Boolean algebra of AND gate. The basic relations for AND gate. First one, a and 0 is equal to 0. Second one, a and 1 is equal to a. Third one, a and a is equal to a. Fourth one, a and a complement is equal to 0. If a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0, then in terms of Boolean algebra, a or b complement. Here given a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0, so a or b complement 1 plus nothing but r 0 complement is equal 1 or 1 is equal to 1, nothing but a is equal to 1, so answer is first one. In the Boolean expression, a complement and b complement is equal to option A or B, option 2
A complement or B complement. Option 3, A and B complement. Option 4, A or B complement. De Morgan's theorems. From the De Morgan theorem, first one, A or B complement is equal to A complement or and B complement. First one. Second one, A and B complement is equal to A or B complements. Okay, from this first one, here A complement, A complement and B complement is equal A plus B complement. Nothing but first one. Options fourth one right answer. Fourth one is right answer. So remaining also remembering. Third one, A complement or B complement whole complement, A complement and B complement is equal to A and B. Fourth one, A complement and B complement whole complement is equal A complement or B complement is equal to A or B. So our answer is A or B complement is right answer. Two NOT gates are connected at the two inputs of NAND gate. This combination will behave like. Okay, two NOT gates connected at the two inputs of NAND gate. This is NAND gate, two inputs connecting a NOT gate. This is also NOT gate. So this one A, this one B, given 0 1 0 1 0 0 1. So 0 passing through the NOT gate, it's get a 1 1 0 0 1 0, and this B side, B terminal 1 1 0 0. NAND gate truth table, A B Y is equal to A and B complement, zero one zero one 0 0 1 1 1 1 1 0. This is the NAND gate truth table. So first one 1 1 1 1 getting 1 1 0, so it is a 0. Again 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 and 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 also 1. Now this is a OR gate truth table. This is the OR gate truth table. So our answer is OR gate. An AND gate can be prepared by respective use NOT gate, OR gate, wrong, NOT gate, wrong, NAND and NOR gates. NAND and NOR gates both are universal gates. So see the options. First one, only A and B. A and B is not a universal gates. Only C and D. Yes, C and D is two are universal gates. Option 2 is right answer. Only A, B and C are correct answer. B is not a universal gate. All are correct. This is also wrong. So our answer is second option is correct. Let capital X is equal to BC complement plus BCA complement plus CAB complement value X for A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, C is equal to 1, B, A, B, C is equal to all are equal, C is equal, C, A, B, C is equal to 0. So what is the right answer below given the options? Let X is equal, first taking A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 0, B is equal to 0, C is equal to 1 whole bar plus B is equal to 0, C is equal to 1, A is equal to 1 complement plus C is equal to 1, A is equal to 1, C, B is equal to 0 complement. So 0.1 0 0 complement plus 0 1.1 1 1 complement plus 1 0 1.0 0 complement. So 1.0 complement 1 plus 0.00 plus 1.1 is equal 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. So first one 1, X is equal to 1, first one, and option B A is equal, B is equal C. If A is equal, B is equal, C is equal to 1, from the above equation 1 complement 1 1 1 plus 1 complement 1 1 1, this one, and 1 complement 1 1 1. So 1 1 complement 1, from this 1 1.1 1 complement 1 plus 1.1 1.1 1 complement. So 1 complement 0, 1 dot 1 complement 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. So second one 0, and option C1 checking is equal to 0. Option C checking 0 0 0 complement plus 0 0 0 complement plus 0 0 0 complement. So 0 plus 0 0 0 complement plus 0 0 complement plus 0 0 complement. So 0 1 plus 0 1 plus 0 1 is equal to 0. So third one 0. Totally 1 0 0. Option 2 is right answer. To get an output 1 from the circuit shown in the figure, the output must be. Here asking to get an output 1 required. So he given a value, b value, c value also. This substitute in above diagram. First given 0 1 c. First 0 1 c. This is a OR gate 0 1 1, and c is given 0. So 0. This is AND gate. AND gate 1 0 is equal to 0. So first option is wrong. AND gate properties 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 sorry AND gate properties 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1, output 0 1 1 1. So first option is wrong, and second one he given values. Second one, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0, c is equal to 0. So this is OR gate. Output also 1. OR gate 0 1 getting 1, c is equal to 0, 1 0 getting AND is equal to 0. So second is also wrong. We going through the third option. So third option, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0, c is equal to 1. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 0, c is equal to 1. So from this one 0 1 0, output 1 1 1 1. In OR gate also 1. So output 1. Third one is right answer. Checking all once check the fourth option also. C is equal to 0. C is equal to 0. C is equal to 0, A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1. So output 1 of OR gate, AND gate 1 0 is equal to 0. So our fourth one is also wrong answer. Our answer is third one. The combination of the gates shown in the figure produced. Okay, from De Morgan's theorems, this is solving easily. A complement, this is a NAND gate, so B complement whole complement is equal A complement and B complement whole complement, A complement AND gate, sorry, OR gate or B complement is equal A or B. Nothing but it is a OR gate. Answer is OR gate. The output of combination of the gates shown in the figure. So a given A and B. A in NAND gate, this side also A. So this one first A so A, this is A also NAND gate, input of the OR gate, so plus A, this is NAND gate A dot B, so A dot B. This is the answer, nothing but first one is answer. A plus A and B. A or A and B complement is answer. Nothing but first one is answer. The minimum number of NOR gates required get a AND gate. So from solving easily with Boolean algebra, minimum number of NOR gates A complement or B complement, this is NOR gate, is equal to A complement and B complement A and B. So how many? 3 required. So see this diagram, A, B, A complement, B complement, A complement, NOR gate, NOR, B complement, whole complement, A dot B.